Yeah, typically on game day, we get to the Raptor Center about 4 to 5 hours before kickoff. We're getting the Eagles ready, we're getting weights on them, seeing if they're at that weight that we want them on game day, and based on their weight, we know how much to feed them that day. About 3 hours before kickoff, we'll actually have police escort come pick us up at the Raptor Center, bring us over here to the stadium, and then it's kind of a waiting game until about an hour before kickoff. That's when really the nerves start going, is when things start getting a little bit serious, and we kind of decide which Eagle we want to fly, what section we want to fly from. App says gust at 3 miles per hour, so we'll just go section 12 with Aria. And then it's really just that countdown until about 16 and a half minutes on the clock. And once that time hits, our hearts are racing. We are actually preparing for game day year round. And so January through December, we're in the stadium pretty much Monday through Friday practicing. So every morning we're in here, we're taking them through the runs, getting their practice in. And then on game day, it's really just another practice for them. It's just 90,000 people happen to be watching. Yeah, this is really a great opportunity for me. You know, it's been a dream job ever since I was a freshman at Auburn and started volunteering out at the Raptor Center. And there's just a lot that goes into it. And we know that everywhere we go, we represent Auburn University. And it's really something that we take a lot of pride in. I'm Andrew Hopkins, Assistant Director of Raptor Training and Education, and this is my game face.